In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to boost TikTok followers, but before then, watch this. So guys, as you can see, before we place an order on this particular page, you can see we have 3,225 followers and we'll be ordering 100 followers, right? So you can see it very clearly, right? So let's go. All I need to do is to copy the link right now, and as I copy the link, I go to the platform and place the link right here and put 100 right here, and boom, click on this submit, right? So all we need to do right now is to go back to the TikTok, and we are going to refresh it, and you are going to see that this followers is going to increase from this 3,225 followers to 3,325 followers in a minute. And right now you can see we have 3,300 and something followers, 3,332 followers, because we ordered 100 followers. And once you click on the notification right here, you can see Cherry blah 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 started following us, and 99 plus of people, which means that these people just started following us. And let's check the notification. As you can see right here, they followed us 4 hours ago. Remember, I placed this order and I told you guys let's wait before the orders start coming in, right? So these are the followers that just boosted right now. You can see most of them just entered at the same time, which is 4 hours ago, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to do this. That's the reason why you need to watch this video from beginning to the end. So guys, let's proceed, right? So if you want to boost your TikTok followers, right, all you need to do is for you to come to this website right here. Can you see the website growbetter.net, right? All you need to do right here is to come and create an account and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video. So let's create an account. Firstly, for you to create an account, you need to swipe down right here. You can see the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do basically is for you to come to this username. Can you see this username right here? You just to tap on it and create your username. And once you create a username, and while creating your username, make sure you write it together, do not give space. And the next thing is to put your email right here, and the next thing is to put your password right here, and confirm your password right here, and display the root I'm a human, right? You don't need to tap on this I am human and allow it to tick, right? And it's going to tick, as you can see. And the next thing you need to do is for you to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created instantly. But also, because I already have an account, there is no need for me to start creating a new account, so I just need to sign in and continue teaching you guys how to actually boost TikTok followers, right? So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account, and when you create an account and log in, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So the first thing we need to do if you want to boost your TikTok followers is come to this category and scroll down and look for TikTok followers. Right there you can see Instagram followers, Instagram likes. These are other services you can actually get right here in this platform. And right here you can see TikTok followers, good service. TikTok followers, always working. TikTok followers, stable. And the TikTok followers, different TikTok followers, right? So all you need to do is to select the one that is actually good for you. And I'm going to be selecting this TikTok followers, always working, new. So I just need to select it, and the next thing I need to do is for me to come right here to this service right here and tap on it. And the next thing I need to do basically is for me to just select any preferable service I want. So I just need to select anyone, and once you selected the service, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this description and read the description. Description is actually what describe the service you are about to purchase, right? So right here they say the minimum you can order is 10 followers, and the max you can order is 1 million followers. And they say the link you need is a profile link, and the quality is global user. They say no to processing speed may vary during high traffic periods. So they say that in case if your order delay, it might be because the system has a lot of orders. So all you need to do is for you to actually exercise patience. And right here they say do not place second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. So when you place an order, do not place another order. Just allow that order to complete before you place another order on that same link. If you place 2 orders on the same link, it's going to affect the order. Right here they said the root link is where you actually put your link, which is your profile link. Just in case if you don't know how to copy your link, let me show you guys how to do that. Let's go to TikTok. So when you come to TikTok, you are in your profile like this. All you need to do basically is for you to come to this arrow. Can you see this arrow up here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you don't need to come to this copy link down here. You don't need to tap on it, and your link is copied. Then come to this place the root link and paste it, and come to quantity, and put quantity actually is the amount of followers you want to buy. So you just need to put the amount, if it's 1,000 or 10,000 or 1 million. Right here I put 100. Right, so once you put your quantity, the next thing you need to do basically is to click on this submit right here, and boom, you can see right here your order is received. And once you place your order, the next thing you need to do is for you to actually wait and your order is going to be delivered. You don't need to do anything, you just need to wait and the order will be delivered. But there's one thing I want you guys to understand, that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. How then do you fund an account in this platform? Is very simple. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it and click on this add fund right here, and boom, right, you can see this dot right here. You can see this dot, just tap on it and you will see two payment options in this platform, which number one is Quora Pay and the second is manual. So once you tap on Quora Pay, you just need to come and put the amount you want to fund, and boom, right here, click on this pay. And once you click on this pay, right, you just need to allow it to load, and Quora Pay is going to ask you, how would you like to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with bank, right? If you select debit card, you just need to put your debit card details right here and click on pay. So if you want to use bank transfer, you just need to click on this pay with that bank transfer, and right here you can see this, they give you so many instructions to read. After reading the instruction, you'll tell them I understand the instruction, and click on this continue. And once you click on the continue, Quora Pay is going to provide account number and beneficiary that you need to pay money to. Once you send money to this account number, you don't need to do anything, it will automatically do it, and your money will be funded in the platform, right? So this is how to use Quora Pay. And if you want to use manual, you just need to come select manual and read the instruction written right here. They say kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, and they say do not send below or 1,000 because it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshots with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. They also say click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So what you need to do is either you click on this contact us, or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. You can see this WhatsApp icon, and it will take you to the WhatsApp number. Then all you need to do is to send your proof of payment and your username, and they are going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So all you need to do basically is for you to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I just did in this video, and you'll be able to boost your TikTok followers. The link is in the description. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.